Welcome back. Sylvia joins me now in the studio. Sylvia, what's up first?
Well, as China continues efforts to move from cheap production to a more advanced service-based economy, the government has set up incentives to attract the talent needed. As well as foreigners, many of those targeted are Chinese who once traveled overseas in search of better educational or professional opportunities. BON's Neva Wyman shows us what some headhunters in New York are doing to try to lure high-end talent to Shanghai.
Shanghai officials have set a goal of turning the city into an international financial hub by 2020. And in a bid to help fulfill that ambition, officials and employers hope to attract over 100 finance professionals during the city's second overseas recruitment initiative. In New York last weekend, over 800 people attended the Shanghai Overseas High-Level Financial Talents Job Fair. And this is just the first stop of a tour that will also take in Toronto and Singapore. Organizers, the Shanghai Financial Services Office, led representatives of 17 institutions, including banks, insurers and brokerages, all aiming to lure senior professionals from the Big Apple to Shanghai.
The process of building Shanghai into an international financial center is also the process of recruiting worldwide financial talents. World-famous financial centers such as New York, London and Hong Kong gather financial talents from around the world. Shanghai has high demand for high-level financial talents.
To lure and retain financial professionals, organizers address concerns over issues of quality of life, including education and healthcare, and also offer tax incentives for those hired. Co-organizers of the event, the Chinese Finance Association in the U.S., say working in China offers several advantages.
For overseas talents, it's really attractive to work in China, as they can do creative work and perform their best. There are more opportunities in China. When I talked to some of our members, they all said that even though the pay is lower, the country offers good opportunities for personal career development.
Last year, in its first overseas hiring initiative held in Wall Street and the City of London, nearly 70 finance professionals were recruited from 4,000 candidates. And with Shanghai's apparently insatiable appetite for international financial talent, another recruitment drive for 2010 looks to be on the cards. Neva Wyman, BON.